Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. We're just past our summer days in England, and we're past our summer days, or our serious summer days, and we've had loads of it's our first serious thundery day, and what is better than a healthy, not healthy treat? Oh my god. Fish sauce wings. So it really is what it says on the tin. Fish sauce chicken wings. Literally 2 ingredients before I fry these wings off. So, got my chicken wings. And you just want to cover your chicken wings with a load of fish sauce. This is one of those sort of naughty snacks. Enough fish sauce to give it a good mix around. I've got about a teaspoon of ground cumin here. I'm just getting that saltiness from the fish sauce, a little bit of spice into the wings. Because fish sauce is so strong, you don't really need to sort of sit it in the marinade for too long. So when you're deep frying at home, don't fill your wok more than halfway up the wok with oil. And most importantly, only deep fry. Don't do your washing, don't hang your washing, don't feed the cat, just deep fry. And that's the safest way to be. The next thing is you've got to use something sort of wooden, gives you an idea of how hot your oil actually is. I've got some wooden chopsticks here, and if you see, when you pop your wooden chopsticks in, and you see them sort of fizzing up straight away, then your oil is at about 180 degrees C. And that is the perfect temperature for deep frying. The next tip is, when you're placing your ingredients into your oil, don't put everything in at one go. You might have to do things in batches. I've got quite a lot of chicken wings here, so I'm going to probably go in sort of a third at a time. It's at a good heat. My wings are going to go in. Now this Chinese slotted spoon here is our School of Wok deep frying nest or spatula. It's great for moving things around carefully without picking up too much oil. I'm on a high heat at the moment just to seal the chicken wings. And there is a little bit of a skill to deep frying. At this point, I'm going to turn it down to medium heat so that those chicken wings can cook through, all the way through. Now we're going to cook this for a good sort of 8 to 10 minutes. So once your wings are nice and golden brown, we're literally just going to finish this off with a very quick garnish, a tasty garnish at that. So I've got some fried shallots here, which I'm going to crush through. Yeah, use them all. And that'll add to that nice, deep, savoury flavour. But I'm going to sweeten that up with a bit of palm sugar, a little bit of sea salt to balance that sweetness out, and work with the fish sauce. And then last couple of bits of my finely sliced up lime leaf and chilli. And I'm putting in a sieve because I want to bring the flavour and oils out of that by very quickly dipping it into the hot oil. You can smell that straight away. Again, just to mix that through. Wow, look at that. Fresh coriander leaves to just liven it up a little. Give those a good basting in that rub. Toss those through. So make sure give it a taste test. Oh, succulent chicken wing. Crispy, naughty treat. If you like this type of recipe and you want to know more, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more food just like this, subscribe to our channel and keep the suggestions coming.